Big mistake. Big. Huge. What can I say? Every girl wants to have her pretty woman moment. So, hi. Welcome to my channel. My name is Jen. If this is your first time here, I am so glad to have you. Thank you for watching my videos. If this is your first time here, then I wanted to say welcome and thank you for watching my video. I do all kind of unboxing videos, from styling services to shopping hauls, so if that sounds interesting to you, then please subscribe below. If you're a returning viewer, thank you so much. I so appreciate your support. And today I am doing a shopping haul. So you may notice, for those who have seen my videos, I'm in a very different background. I'm actually sitting in a bathroom in a hotel in Chicago. So I'm here on a couple days for a business trip. I decided to do a little shopping downtown and wanted to provide you guys with a shopping haul. So it did not go the way I expected for a couple reasons. Okay, really just one reason, and it's that I get embarrassed recording in public. So my vision was you guys would see me going in a store, maybe I'd prop a camera up somewhere and I'd be looking through stuff. And so basically I found some corners to hide in to kind of explain where I was and what my goals were for the store. I also didn't make it to nearly as many stores as I had hoped, because it took me about 1,000,000 times longer to go through everything and find stuff I want to try on and then record my try-ons. So I only went to a few places, but hopefully you guys will still have a little bit of fun watching me try on some stuff. And then after I show you guys a little bit of footage from the dressing rooms, I am just going to show you guys what I actually bought. And you guys can provide me your feedback below, because I always love to hear what you guys think. So let's get to it. Okay guys, I am about to go on my shopping trip. I haven't ever done Chicago shopping by myself, to where I'm really going to the stores that I'm interested, I'm going like this a lot, to where I'm really going into stores where I'm interested in and looking for things I want to find, and I'm very excited. I've got plans to go to like Nordstrom Rack. I think there's a Loft outlet, or maybe it's an Ann Taylor outlet. I don't know. There's an outlet store. Ross Dress for Less, which I think is like super cheap, maybe crappy cheap at TJ Maxx. We'll see what all I make it to, but I'm excited. I will come back and show you guys all my goodies, and let's go. Okay, first stop is Saks off 5th Avenue, and I am excited to be here. Also hiding in the shoes because I feel really stupid. I stopped here because I saw they had a BCB Generation Blazer on, let me zoom out, BCBG Generation Blazer on their website, and it was like greatly discounted, so I'm gonna see if I can find it here, so wish me luck. And I was totally just busted with the camera. Okay, I think this is super cute, short sleeve shirt, pleats. I'm gonna definitely be trying that on. Okay, I found BCBG that I've been looking for, but no blazers here. So that's disappointing, but I have a lot of things that I found to try on, so I am excited about that. I'm in Nordstrom Rack now. I have no goals here other than find cute stuff, so wish me luck. Ross Dress for Less, I think is what it's called, or maybe it's just Ross. I don't know. I went here because thought the store looked like a mess and maybe you could get amazing deals here. I'm not wrong. It's a mess. This is just a whole mile I'm hiding in right now, but this place is just a mess. But maybe I can find an amazing deal, so let's see. I'm at my last stop. I'm exhausted, and I chose between TJ Maxx and Target, and I chose Target. So I'm really hoping to find something good here. Okay. First up, we have my outfit from Ross Dress for Less. Now, the store, I've never been to a Ross Dress for Less, and the store was like a TJ Maxx, but more chaotic in my opinion. But they had really affordable clothing. I did see some great brand names there, although that wasn't necessarily what I was looking for. I just was looking for pieces that I liked. It was my third stop of the night, so I was pretty tired and perhaps did not give it my all, but still, I found these pieces, which are cozy, comfy, and cheap. So that's awesome. Okay, so these pants, these are Denizen Levi's, and they were $15.99, and they are just kind of a straight leg with a cuff on the end, and they're very comfortable. They're very stretchy. So for $15.99, that's pretty awesome. And it does have some light distressing here on the top. And then the sweatshirt. Oh, this feels amazing. Now the brand is Chance of Fate. Never heard of it. I don't even care. Again, it feels amazing. Then it's got this just like huge hoodie on it. This oversized hoodie. It feels amazing. I love hoodies, especially, you know, home on the weekend. This is $13.99, so a great price. And these were the only pieces I got at Ross. So let's go to the next piece. Okay, the next piece is this sweater. I went to Saks off 5th. My main goal in going there, as I mentioned before, is I was looking for a blazer. They didn't have it, but I did find this sweater, which feels amazing. So it's the Saks Fifth Avenue brand, and it is cashmere, and it feels amazing. Now, they had signs up for friends and family, 40% off, and I didn't really know what that meant, and apparently it meant Jen doesn't get that sale. So I thought I was gonna get 40% off of it, and I didn't, and I don't know, I was too scared to ask. I'm not sure if I needed a rewards card or literally to be a friends and family of somebody who worked there. I don't know, but regardless, I did not get 40% off. So this ended up being $70, and I've never paid that for a sweater. I never expected to, but I did. And I'm considering taking it back, but I don't know that I'll get a chance to do that, which means this might be my new sweater for $70. So, but it feels amazing, like literally amazing. I like the light pink color, which at first I was kind of on it, but I think the color's growing on me, and I like the style and fit of it. So I don't know, I like it. This is the only piece I ended up getting from Saks off 5th, partially because I felt like I was spending enough at the store. So next, let's do Nordstrom Rack. Next up, we have a pair of joggers. They are meant to be shorter joggers, so they are not too long, which is awesome. They feel just really, really great. These are Nike, and I got these for $30. And then we have this long sleeve top, which is just kind of a cozy, but it's a pretty thin sweater, so it's a good fall piece. It has a little tie here on the side, and the brand was like a bow, I think, and it was $20. So I felt like I got a pretty good deal because these were significantly marked down. These are both really comfortable pieces, so I would call these winners. Okay, let's recap. Okay, well, I hope you guys enjoyed my first shopping vlog, and I had a blast. I was extremely exhausted. As you guys saw, there were no clothes from Target because it was my 4th stop. I was too tired to try something on, so it was basically a matter of, unless I saw something amazing that I could either throw on right there, or I felt confident it was gonna fit and I just loved it enough that I'd keep it. But there just wasn't anything that jumped out to me that fit that category. So I didn't end up getting anything, but I felt like I got some good pieces. Didn't come home with a lot, but I didn't really want to spend a lot. So hopefully you guys had a good time. Tell me your thoughts on the pieces I got, and should I take back the $70 sweater? I don't know. Again, if you are not a subscriber, then feel free to subscribe below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the bell notification so you get notified every time I post. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I look forward to everybody's feedback. And hopefully we'll see you in the next video. Okay, thanks. Bye.